This is a graphic designer editing a photo.
2 hours later.
This is the same graphic designer editing the same photo.
1 eternity later.
Same graphic designer, same photo. Anyone with this job would definitely be having some serious back issues. Our client, a provider of high-end real estate photography solutions, was facing a similar problem. With a team of 10 to 12 editors, enhancing a large number of photos manually was getting inefficient and cumbersome. Human errors and long processing time were reducing productivity even further. Our task was to make life easier for the client's editing team. We deployed a mix of deep learning and proven, predictable techniques in computational photography to enhance indoor and outdoor photos, even those which were taken under varying light conditions. Using state-of-the-art methods for image classification, image segmentation, and image enhancement, our solution automated the entire editing process by up to 90%. Our client could now provide high-end real estate photography solutions as effortlessly as sipping coffee. Glad we could help.